But to be the bestest in my section, levels of a professional. Skip school, cream my whole lessons. Confessions of a mad rapper, music got me rapping. Green stretching, only leads to red stretches. He's next in line for the blessing. Get your mind off mine, hustle something and stop relying on mine. More than a legend while you letting time fly by. At age 17, addicted to ink, a rap fiend who had money dreams. My taste of it compared to what I seen. Them dying, government lying. For that paper cheese, mom's crying, watching her only son through MTV, BT, he on now, write me down, no longer fighting through the crowd, I control the crowd, oh you like me now, wow. Motivational roles, no guidance, just violence and probational holes. Thinking my how routes is all out. Music gotta be my way out. Family gathered around, I gotta make them proud. Pops popped in the penitentiary laid out, hoping the sun fell under a different cloud. I'm